Are you an existing homeowner that has quite a bit of equity that's built up over the last several years as home prices have just continued to improve? And maybe you've got an interest rate of 3 or 3.5%. Maybe you've even got a lower rate than that. And so you don't necessarily want to do any kind of a refinance where you would lose that interest rate. Well, let's keep that interest rate in place for you and talk about the benefits of a home equity loan. So a home equity loan is something that we can help you with where it's going to be a fixed rate, fixed term, and it's going to be amortized over a 10-year, 20-year, 30-year period. You're going to get a lump sum of money and then you're going to pay it back over the course of that term. And it's going to be a principal and interest payment every month, so you're reducing how much you owe on it. Unlike a home equity line where maybe you only have to pay the interest and so your balance is never going down. So this can be very beneficial if, let's just say for example, you've got some home projects that you've been wanting to complete. Maybe you want to finish off your garage, do epoxy flooring and cabinets and things of that nature. Maybe that you want to put in a swimming pool. Any of these home improvements is something that would work for. Perhaps you have some debt, you've built up some credit card debt, maybe you've got some personal loan debts and the interest rates on those are really high, and so you want to consolidate those down into one payment with hopefully a better rate and therefore a better payment for you and get that all paid off. Maybe you've got a student who's getting ready to go off to college and you're thinking, okay, we could use some extra funds to make sure that that's all handled and that's all taken care of as our student heads off. These are all excellent ideas, all excellent reasons why we could help you potentially with a home equity loan. And so if you'd like to get more information on it, please reach out, give us a text, give us a call, shoot us an email, etc. We're always here to answer any of your questions. We can run some numbers and give you an idea, hey, is this something that might work for you or not? So thank you so much for listening. I appreciate it. If you found this information helpful, please do me a favor, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.